everyone, your English educator Mohit Mittal is back with a new video. Today our topic would be writing section. It comes for all grade till 12th and we'll discuss about article writing, which either comes for 8 marks or 10 marks. It's a short piece of writing where we exhibit our own ideas along with some facts and figures. Let's talk about format of an article. Article is a piece of writing for a large audience, and the main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspaper or magazine. Let's talk about an article now. First of all, we need to give a suitable heading or the title. It should be eye-catchy and should have a central theme, what the article is about. Then there should be introduction. In introduction, we should draw readers' attention and should give some startling facts, means some facts etc. related to the topic given. Exposition should spell out various aspects to the topic, merits, demerits, causes, effects, advantages and disadvantages. In this paragraph, we need to write what content all is about, advantages, facts, disadvantages, etc. Then comes conclusion. That should be concluded with a suggestion, hope or a warning. Means this is the concluding paragraph where you give your personal opinion also along with the corrective measures to that problem. Let's talk about marking scheme. See, articles come for in grade 10, it comes for 8 marks. But it can even come for 10 marks also according to the CBSE updations. Let us discuss about 8 marks first of all. Format 1 mark. In format, it consists of title and the name of the writer. Title is of 0.5 mark and name of the writer is also for 0.5 marks. See, here the title is given, then we either write by and the name. Content is of 4 marks. Then expression, that is also of 3 marks. In expression, we count 1.5 marks for coherence and relevance of ideas, means either the matter related to the content and all relates to the format or the title, and 1.5 marks means grammatical accuracy, whether you are totally correct, whether your spellings, vocabulary is effective or not. In case it comes for 10 marks, so what happens? Format remain for 1, content remain for 1, but expression changes to other 5 marks. Fine. In this, it consists of 2.5 each. 2.5 for coherence, 2.5 for grammatical accuracy. I am repeating. Suppose when it is of 8 marks, expression is of 3 marks, and when it comes for 10 marks, expression goes for 5 marks. That is 2.5 and 2.5 each. Now let's talk about tips for writing article. Means how can we get complete marks? Always keep a few journal quotes handy. Means somewhere you should have in your mind some quotes related to the journal topics. Avoid repetition of ideas. Don't try to repeat in a new line from paragraph 2 to paragraph 3. Avoid them. Feel free to give your personal opinion. Your personal opinion or your opinion regarding the topic is ever welcomed. Do not deviate from the topic. Don't go against the topic or out of the topic. Make small sentences. Why small sentences? So that you get eradicated from the vocabulary or grammatical errors. Read editorials from the newspaper. See, when you read newspapers and all, number of ideas revolve in your mind for writing the article. Underline all the important points. Whenever you're writing something new or important in a paragraph, please underline it so that it becomes eye-catchy. Do not exceed the prescribed word limit. It generally comes for 200 marks or 200 words, sorry. Heading should not exceed more than 6 words. Try to give a heading for 2 or 3 words only. Don't go for 6 words even, only for 2 or 3. Do not mention any personal details. Avoid giving your personal details. If you focus on all these things, you'll get complete marks. Now let's talk about coder. Whenever any question is given in writing section, you should think about coder before attempting it. Coder C means collection of ideas. Whatsoever topic is given, you need to collect the ideas. Then you need to organize it. Then draft it. Draft means you're writing it. Then editing means either the synchronization is correct or not, any grammatical error is not there or not. Then rechecking. In rechecking, you check out complete paragraphs whatsoever you have written in the article. Now the main focus, the body of an article. Before describing paragraph 1, 2, 3 or 3 and 4, let me tell you, you can write even 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs. It depends on you. In first paragraph, we generally write the slogan or any brief introduction. In paragraph 2, we basically write the causes, effects and the present state, and in paragraph 3 we write the solution and conclusions. Let's come to paragraph 1. It's an introduction paragraph. Here we precisely explain what the article is asking. Try giving some quotation. This is necessary. Fine. Now paragraph 2, I may count it at 2 and 3 also. Complete analysis of the subject. Whatsoever topic is asked, you need to give what is it, current scenario related to that, any cause or any effect relationship with whatsoever is going related to that topic. Now comes the next paragraph. We can consider it as 3 or 4 even. That is a concluding paragraph or a conclusion. Never leave an article open-ended, means here you need to end. And somewhere some student, what they do, they just mix paragraph 1 and 2 and they write it again here. Avoid that. It should speak about the problem raised and what are the action taken. You can give your personal opinion also, how to eradicate or how to get over from that problem. Be simple and precise. Here in this, you need to add the solutions also of the topic. If I talk about grade 10, grade 12 or any grade, see, article can come on any topic, but basic focus in grade 10 are environmental pollution, safe driving, natural disaster, evil of child labor, underage driving, India of 2050, virtues of nature, right to education art, role of youth, evil of gender discrimination, exam stress, corporal punishment, technology, idle teacher, television, water conservation, good manners, need of art and music, safeguarding women. See, any kind of article can come in paper, but somewhere these are some general topic which I have written that can come in the exam. So try to make some quotation related to these topics. Moreover, some pollution topic or some plastic related to plastic and the condition, present condition of our country. These are some burning topic that can come, even the overpopulation and how to conserve water, condition of women in the society. These are some burning topics. So ever read out about them in the newspaper. I have come with an article, Importance of Games and Sport by Mohit Mittal. Why have I written an article? So that you get to know how to write an article. You can take a screenshot of the same so that you keep it for your future. We are familiar with the saying, health is wealth. I'm not going to read it completely. Just a bit in paragraph 1, what I did, I gave a quotation also related to the topic. Then I've given the introduction, means what are the importance of games and sports and how can they be increased and what are the benefits of the same. I've written in first paragraph. Fine. If I talk about second paragraph, in second paragraph, I have written all about the effects on the present condition. Game and sports develop social and cultural values. See, all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. What happened while writing the article? I struck with a new quotation, so I added here itself. Games and sports definitely help in molding and shaping the character. Also, means what are the benefits of games and sports? So I did not have any negative idea of importance of sports and games. So I continued writing the positive aspects only. Only then the nation can produce dynamic athlete. If we play regularly, then we can produce or we can bring laurels to our country. The dismissal performance of India in the Olympics means whatsoever conditions are going on and what are we achieving. Even I have mentioned the same so that somewhere indirect facts could be mentioned. See, only then we can harvest a rich haul of medals at the international level. How I ended means apart from getting success in our country, even I've added about how to get the success in the international level also. So we need to keep only a few points in our mind. The title should be very eye-catchy, interest-provoking. Then 3 paragraphs in which first paragraph includes slogans and all, second paragraph the causes and effects, and the third paragraph slogans and conclusion. I hope now you can write article in the best manner. I hope everyone could write a good article and score good marks. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.